Hello everyone. Let's take a look at New Mexico. So I'm going to show you the pictures that we have. Wave-like dunes of gypsum sand cover 275 square miles of desert, creating the world's largest gypsum dune field. It's really pretty. There's the flag. So pretty simple. Just has the red design, kind of looks like a cross with a circle in the center, and then just yellow. So that should be easy for you to draw. Here are the symbols. The state animal is the black bear, state bird roadrunner, state flower the yucca, and then the state quarter looks like it has the flag design on there. And I think that is about it. All right, so New Mexico, some fast facts. The nickname is called the Land of Enchantment. Statehood is 1912. It's the 47th state. Population as of July 2015 is 2,085,109. Capital Santa Fe. Biggest city Albuquerque. Abbreviation NM. State bird Greater Roadrunner. The state flower is the yucca. So history. People came to the area that's now New Mexico more than 12,000 years ago. Experts think they migrated from what's now Russia across a land bridge called the Bering Strait during the last ice age. When the ice age ended, water levels rose, covering this bridge. Thousands of years later, Native American tribes, including the Apache, Zuni, Navajo, and Pueblos, lived on the land. In 1540, Spanish explorer Francisco Vasquez de Coronado came to the area in search of cities made of gold that were rumored to exist in the Americas. He didn't discover treasure, but over the next century the Spanish colonized the land. Then in 1821, Mexico declared its independence from Spain, and the area became part of Mexico. But after the United States won the Mexican-American War in 1848, New Mexico became a U.S. territory. In 1912, it was declared the 47th state. Why is it called that? When the Spanish set out to explore the region, they hoped to find land as valuable as what they'd found earlier in Mexico. So they dubbed the area Nueva Mexico. Nueva means new in Spanish. As for the word Mexico, some experts think it's a version of a name that the Aztecs, a cultural group from Mexico, had for one of their gods, though there are many different theories. The state has beautiful scenery from mountains to forests to deserts. This earned it the nickname the Land of Enchantment. So there's the flag and the icons again. Geography and landforms. So there you can see it on the map. So we would be shading in this portion. So it's New Mexico is bordered by Colorado in the north, Oklahoma and Texas in the east, Mexico in the south, which would be down here. There would actually be land below here, and Arizona in the west. Its northwest corner touches Arizona, Utah, and Colorado right here. And it's the only spot where 4 states meet. It's kind of cool. So you could go in that little corner and say, oh, I've been in 4 states at once. I'll have to do that someday. The state can be divided into 3 regions. Sweeping across the east, the Great Plains region contains a high plateau with deep canyons. Their area also features Carlsbad Caverns, which has more than 119 caves to explore. The Rocky Mountain region is in the northern part of the state, and it has New Mexico's highest point, Wheeler Peak. In the central southwest is the Basin and Range region. A river called the Rio Grande runs through the center of this area, which is known for its mountainous ridges, flat deserts, and white sands national monument. That's the world's largest field of sand dunes made of the mineral gypsum, which was that first picture I showed you. Wildlife. New Mexico is home to black bears, bighorn sheep, cougars, coyotes, and what may be North America's rarest mammal, the black-footed ferret. Black vultures, red-shouldered hawks, bright scarlet tanagers, and streak-backed Orioles fly overhead, while amphibians such as the colorful western green toad, barred tiger salamander, and the New Mexico whiptail lizard scurry underfoot. New Mexico olive, pinyon pine, Rio Grande cottonwood, and desert willow are a few of the trees that grow throughout the region. A number of the local wildflowers were named for the state, including the New Mexico thistle and New Mexico evening primrose. Cacti and succulents are also plentiful. Natural resources. New Mexico is the country's top producer of perlite, a type of glass used in insulation and gardening. The state also mines about 3/4 of the United States potash, a potassium compound used in fertilizer. About half of the state's income from natural resources comes from oil and natural gas. Fun stuff. Pueblo people have lived continuously for more than 1,000 years at Taos Pueblo in north central New Mexico. Did aliens ever land on Earth? The Roswell UFO Museum, near a spot where some people claim a UFO crashed in 1947, lets visitors decide for themselves. Famous New Mexicans include singer John Denver, Amazon.com founder Jeff Bezos, and artist Georgia O'Keeffe. And when we look at the book, I'm sure there'll be more people that will see that were born there. New Mexico is known for its turquoise. Today, most mines have very little left, which is why a piece of turquoise can be worth thousands of dollars. Interesting. So we have a video here, but I don't know if the audio will actually play, so I'm going to give it a try and start over.
Hey yo, I'm DJ Pigeon and I'd like to introduce y'all to our national bird. Makes a noise but bury the bald eagle, our state by state chauffeur. That's right y'all, what up, what up? Come along with me to a place where the scenery's romantic. We're headed to New Mexico, the land of the enchantment. Let me introduce y'all to New Mexico state bird. He's a wonder. His name is Rob. And he's a road runner. What's up, Barry? I run pretty fast. Wanna see my moves? I never finish last. You're pretty darn quick. And New Mexico has so much beauty, you can fill your cameras with pics. Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great, so just fly with me. Fly with me, fly with me, come on, fly with me. So what's great about this state? Well, our capital is Santa Fe and has quite a story. It's been the seat of government since 1610 for areas and lands held by the U.S., Mexico, and the Spanish territory. Our most populous city is Albuquerque, and we're the first state to have an official state cookie. Ooh, what kind? It's called the Bizcochito. We also have a state question. Isn't that neato? I like questions. Red or green? We love chili peppers. And always ask, which color do you want in your cuisine? Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great. So just fly with me. Fly with me. Fly with me. Come on, fly with me. New Mexico has the southern portion of the Rocky Mountains. Our land was formed partially by lava, like the Capulin Volcano National Monument. Our state is bisected by the Rio Grande, and we have the largest gypsum desert in the world at White Sands. Wow, this land sounds swell. People that believe in aliens love to visit Roswell. Aliens? So they claim. Yes. 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 Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great. So just fly with me. Fly with me. Fly with me. Come on, fly with me. Coast to coast, state to state. Gonna tell you about a place and what makes it great. So just fly with me. Fly with me. Fly with me. Come on, fly with me.
All right, well, hopefully that worked, that you could see the video. If not, I will post it separately and you can watch it on your own. All right, I will be posting another video with the book from New Mexico, and then you can fill out the information. And I hope that it makes you want to go there now, and you learn a little bit more about it. All right, see you later.